Yeah, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Sounds of Swag Labor Day Edition with your host DJ Thrill. About to keep y'all crunk and highly motivated as always. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And we're gonna keep y'all crunk and highly motivated like always. One.
Rockin' the lingerie, I love the green ones or the pink with it trimmed in gray. Bad than a motherfucker, love the attitude. Go to work and go to church and go to college too. Bad boss bitch, I'm what I'm looking for. Shorty know I know about her, I know I'm looking for her. She be calling me up late nights to come and eat that shit. Skyping me all night long, showing me ass and tits. I love freaking shorty with toys and all kind of shit. JD gon' beat it up. My girl bad, she real hood. Walk like a model, but she fresh out the hood. I say she can't get jazzy, real nasty. She say she is a lady, so she try to keep it classy. She pay her own bills now, on the real. Don't need nobody for no motherfucking chips. I'm talking independent. She love to wear Prada, Gucci, Fendi.
Let these motherfucker bitches and hoes know how you do it with some of that 80s too short life is shit, man.
Man, I'm a fool on these hoes. Nah, for real. I'm a fool on these hoes. What the hell you think they call me the porno star, right? You putting these hoes on tape. 2 or 3 hoes at a time. They do it. See, I pulled up whipping the beans, made them double take. Me and a couple of friends on a double date. Me, Tiffany, and Kim, so I'm hella straight. 28 is the rim, make me levitate. I demonstrate, penetrate, I lay spinning cake. Fuck if her titties fake, she thick with a pretty face. Put the fiend, fuck a holly brain like she went to college. Smoking blunt on the couch while I'm soaking up some knowledge. No ID, in my wallet, just some magnums in my pocket. I'll beat it out of socket, leave a stain on your product. Hershey do the do, holler for $1, real smart too. Something like a scholar, went to school to be a doctor, having fun like Cyndi Lauper. So I took her to the opera and she showed me her knocker. Got her on that vodka, then put her on my roster. Fed that whole dig, no shrimp, no pasta. I'm a fool with the dig.
Let these hoes know, let these hoes know, nigga, let these hoes know.
I know what to do with the dig.
Let these hoes know, let these hoes know, nigga, let these hoes know.
I'm a fool with the dig.
Let these hoes know, let these hoes know, nigga, let these hoes know.
I know what to do with the dig.
Let these hoes know, let these hoes know, nigga, let these hoes know.
PORNO star, 28s on a foreign car, double D's on my foreign rod. Couldn't make it to my house, fellatio in my garage. I bought that hoe a burger, you bought her a corsage. I gave her a big dick, you gave her a massage. I made that hoe menage, and this ain't a facade, cause I ain't got a flash about a damn broad. Life's too short, you can call me Todd. Short dog in my veins and in my iPod. My girls ride rod in the Magnum Dodge on the yellow brick road like Wizard of Oz. The skirts go up, the bottoms go down. The top come off, then she go downtown. I get these hoes wet with these verbs and nouns, and back on the set I got birds and pounds. I'm a fool with the dig.
Let these hoes know, let these hoes know, nigga, let these hoes know.
I know what to do with the dig.
Let these hoes know, let these hoes know, nigga, let these hoes know.
I'm a fool with the dig.
Let these hoes know, let these hoes know, nigga, let these hoes know.
I know what to do with the dig.
Let these hoes know, let these hoes know, nigga, let these hoes know.
Polo swag, oh yeah, iced up, oh yeah, I'm so clean, oh yeah, I'm feeling real good right now. I'm feeling real good right now. I feel good, what can I say? Here's the reason I stay fresh, cause I sponsor for Subway. Turn me up into the fucking outbreak. Too deep in the game, it's like I'm standing in the lake. I'm twisted dread, you should know that it's me, cause I got a swagger that everybody wanna see. Man, my swag game fresh, but my jewelry game so much ice, I put a laugh, gotta be. It's like a hamburger game because I double the cheese. Go be, I want the gas, and now I'm shredding the cheese. Hit the block, I stunning harder than I ever did. Ice Cube diamond, yes, I'm all about the beat. I got the stack, oh yeah, Polo swag, oh yeah, iced up, oh yeah, I'm so clean, oh yeah, I'm feeling real good right now. I'm feeling real good right now.
Chain rocking, but none like Mick Jagger. Green Bay cheesehead, but no, I'm not a Packer. I'm street ballin' like I'm ballin' out in Rackers. Yo, whole click L7s like a pack of crackers. Ball when I wanna, buy a Polo when I wanna. Shout it thick as hell, I got some stacks, but I don't wanna. Bad throwing money, I think I want. Feeling good, lifted off that purple marijuana. 12 shots of 1800, now I'm feeling tipsy. Clean in my Polo, got your girl acting frisky. Don't save her, got 10 goons, that's risky. Wake up with a headache like you're drinking cheese whiskey.
I got the stack, oh yeah, Polo swag, oh yeah, iced up, oh yeah, I'm so clean, oh yeah, I'm feeling real good right now.
Overdose some Mac, nigga. If it ain't Mac material, then it's Polo on my bag. And if it ain't Kush, then it's Perp off in my bag. Overdose the Mac, yeah, that boy, he counting stacks. Switch the game on him, now my diamonds all black. But my white, I did it out of spite, cause I fell off and bounced back, and haters, they no lie. Gon' tell the truth, you niggas wanna be me. Stay mad at your girl, cause she stay bumping my CD. In the club, blowing perks, sipping $80 Sprite. Feel good, man, I'm higher than the traffic light. Young niggas stunting, man, I swear I'm ballin'. And niggas wondering why your baby mama's calling. I got it.
Volume 1.
I'm about to fuck who I'm dancing with. I'm about to fuck who I'm dancing with. I'm about to fuck who I'm dancing with. Shout out to the fucking DJ playing shit. Ass all over me. Drunk's the only way I'm supposed to be. My ex say I'm tripping. The money made me different. I said, bitch, you just addicted because of what addicted. Do you like this position? Do you like this position? Did it sit you sipping? Get you interested in kissing women? Is it fuck your inhibition? Fuck your inhibition. And bring that ass back like it's stuck in intermission. Cute chick with the hair curly. She ride a dick till it get early. Her pussy clean, but she dance dirty. Fuck me, you getting blown out, bitch. I am Kirby. You making love too long. Do me like your nigga gone. Do me like your nigga gone. The baddest girls in LA in the Bay, and I do them even when I'm on break. So if I fall off today, I'm still a famous nigga hoe. I'm a young fly nigga for sure. Okay, now put your ass on my dick and pose on the shit. Okay, now freak my shit. Freak my shit. Freak my shit. Bitch, freak my shit. Freak my shit. Freak my shit. Freak my shit. Bitch, freak my shit. Said I'm about to fuck who I'm dancing with. I'm about to fuck who I'm dancing with. I'm about to fuck who I'm dancing with. Shout out to the fucking DJ for playing this shit.
If your bitch came up to me, homie, that's mackin'. Swag killing you on what you call your best self. Plenty more swords for sure, we getting on these whores. Have an orgy in this bitch, no more locked doors. You a wallflower, and I'm West known. But I got my Jordans on, so don't step on them. Be up in here flexing. I might have to drop you home. Tell the motherfucking DJ to turn the walker on. But I'ma turn it down, because it's too much pussy. Throw my go-go at the
Twerkmania.
Ain't doing such fast.
Volume 1.
Dancing on me, African booty, Call of Duty. Tonight it's going down, I only came out here for words. I said I like the girl, but actions speak louder than words. I didn't do nothing, that bitch came on to me first. I can't lie, I had this money, told that bitch the word. Told that bitch the word.
Yeah, you listening to the Sounds of Swag Labor Day Edition. We about to go to a quick commercial break. So y'all stay relaxed and loaded, and we'll be right back after these messages. Yeah, we're back live on the Sounds of Swag Labor Day Edition. JD and C Mad finna let y'all know about that grade A, so y'all pay attention to this song, and we're gonna keep the show moving right along.
She got that grade A, that grade A, that grade A. She got that Bombay, that Bombay, that Bombay. Yeah, she roll it up and you my tongue, man. Yeah, I got that motherfucker strong, man.
Let little mama know we're cracking out the door. You ain't fucking with a lane, you fucking with a pro. I'ma teach your raps and teach your ass all the ropes, how to get your money up and do your thing on the low. Your friends in the turn on you when you're doing bad. Don't worry about it, little mama, don't be sad. Call little J.L. baby when you're feeling bad. I'ma come to your crib on late nights and just smash. Cause you got that grade A, baby, and I ain't playing, baby. When I be smoking on that kush, I just be thinking, baby. You got that love it, but it love it. You make a nigga wanna fuck it. When I be in it, you be out it, babe. When I'm in them guts and I'm beating it good, you like. I'm in it good, you like.
She got that grade A, that grade A, that grade A. She got that Bombay, that Bombay, that Bombay. Yeah, since you roll it up and you my tongue, man. Yeah, I got that motherfucker strong, man.
Grade A pussy make a nigga wanna fuck. Hit it from the pack, I'm about to beat it up. Little pussy sprung when a nigga bustin' nut. Little mama got that bomb, I'm about to blow it up. Give it to her good. Do it in the leg when she gripping on my wood. Let the neighbors know my name when we do it in the hood. I be all up in that thing like a real nigga should. Oh girl got that grade A, that's real. Like Kinfolk, give her something she can feel. Like Babyface, hit her with the whip appeal. Like that nigga name Lex, I'ma hit her with the steel. Hold up a sweet, we about to have fun. I like that little paint that she do with her tongue. She got the holler pack, I'ma leave her pussy numb. Call up late, I'ma get me some. She a fool in the bed, fool with the legs, fool with that ass, fool on the head, no rules in the bed. It really go down. Pussy talking to me, making them sounds like we in a ring, going pound for pound. Call me Mike, I'ma knock it down. Blowing up my phone, she say that I'm the one. Yeah, got that bitch strong.
She got that grade A, that grade A, that grade A. She got that Bombay, that Bombay.
I'm the aka the BM. What up, DJ Scream? Corey, what's happening? Spins on the beat. Kitty boy rapping. It's time to turn up. Told him let's do it. And I'm from the A-town. I healed up with that U.S.
I'm an astronaut, I'm a NASA, I'm a rock star, I'm a shot top with a bomber clock. Who wanna test me? Your girl, she wanna sex me, caress me. For me, she turn a lesbian. I'm tuned into the radio, I count up all these fatty. I see they spin, free band, Corey B, free band, DJ Screen, free band, knock me, free band, DJ spin, free band, Corey B, free band, DJ Screen, free band, knock me, free band.
I'm so fucking turned up with this hood bitch. Diamonds on my neck and wrist, call it hood rich. But on some hood shit, I fought with the real niggas. In the truck with the goonies and the drug dealers. I'm so fucking turned up with this hood bitch. Diamonds on my neck and wrist, call it hood rich. But on some hood shit, I fought with the real niggas. In the truck with the goonies and the drug dealers.
I'm turned up, good shit, real nigga, hood rich. Bad bitches on, but she must be a hood bitch. I'm riding around in your city, strapped up and I'm getting it. Lambo, NASCAR, loud pipes and I'm hitting it. Top down my chain on, you a real nigga, that's the same song. Glock 40, my aim on, little fuck boy, you a lay home. I'm turned up, can't turn me down. I'm sacked up and I'm on the town. Her head fire, come burn me down. And you know the sound.